Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 on this pencil bench. This video is just going to be about how to make sure and how to test your cuts. Because these pieces are sticking up and down, and of course you could turn it upside down and glue them in there. Mine is not glued. It fit together because I tested it. So what we're going to do, we're going to get these off I'm going to get them off my screen, off my laser bed, and I'm going to make a duplicate of that and hit plus key on the keyboard and move it over here and take this one and move it over here. And then I'm going to do some test cutting. And this isn't that big a deal to rechange this, but this one you'd waste a lot of wood. So one thing we can do is just take a rectangle right here and actually take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and voila, there is a piece to test with that hole. And then just kind of keep that, and you can change it on the fly. Now, this one a little bit harder to change per se, because we need to go straight up and down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this guy like right there, and it really needs kind of be dead on. So let's bring in an indexing line. It's close enough. So this line, and so you're going to test that. And then I wouldn't mess around with cutting this in half, because once you get it done, you'll have the real one. So what, and this, I'm hoping that this is understandable. Let's take the parallel dimension. I made this 0.125. And then I had to play with it even for my curve to the later. See, it says 0.12, but if we run the extension out, it's 0.125. That's what I drew, if you remember. So what I'm going to do is change that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shape tool, and I'm going to set my nudge factor on 0.01. And I'm going to zoom in here, and I'm going to grab, it doesn't matter which two nodes you deal, but I'm going to go downhill one click. Now I'm at 0.15. I'm going to do the same thing to this, but I'm going to go to the left, and I'm going to be 0.125. Then test that, and if it should fit snugly, I mean, real snug. You want it real snug. Once you get one of them close, you know, let's say you've already done this one. So, you know, on this, you'd have to rotate the whole bench to get that spot. Once you get these, see, these will be easily done. This one's going to be a little bit more complicated, but you can, so you've got it done. Just take this and rotate your bench till you kind of get it perpendicular. And I guarantee that's probably close enough for that. And then just go downwardly in that one, and then do the other two. I'm actually going to change this for the file and then move it back to 0. The file that I'm going to share, you're going to get this, and if it's 2, because that's what I had to do on mine, but every laser is different. So we're going to go here. I'm actually going to grab that side. I'm going to go to one click that away. And just as long as you're going to the inside, I'm going to delete that node right there because it's not needed. And then I think we've already done this side. So we'll just do this side. We'll take the two nodes. Doesn't really matter which way you go, because you just need to go inwardly. Then, so I'm going to share this file. So I'm going to make this red. My email is at the bottom of number 1. If I think about it, I'll put it on number 2, part 2. Make a duplicate of both these, and you can actually, you know, flip it the other way and save you a little bit of wood, and, you know, turn these at 90 degrees. And I'm all about saving wood. They won't fit anywhere else. So you can cut out this, I didn't grab it all. You can cut out this entire chair on less than, you know, if you have some 12 by 12, that's 8, less than 9 and less than 9 both ways. it's a pretty cool little project. It'd be a really good gift for a teacher at the end of school. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.